Oh yeah. I don't think it's him. It's the food, huh? It's the food. That's for me. That's for me. Yeah. That must be for me.
Yep.
My spoiler. I've been waiting, man, for the car. I took it out already last night. Thank you, my man.
Yeah, bro. Nice
You made me happy. Thank you, brother. There it is. It came. It came in the mail. Let's check it out. All right, folks. It finally came. The one and only. I've been looking for a nice spoiler. I know that I already got one, but you know, we gotta have something when we first got the ride. So I took it out already because I'm gonna replace it with these guys. This is the one. Boy, don't break it now. All right. Woo! Hopefully it's painted. I'm hoping it is. Better be. All right. Oh yeah, it is. Actually, it is. Oh no, it's not. It's matte, but it's okay. It still looks good. So there it is. You got him. So we're gonna go ahead and do the assembly, and we'll show you guys the finished product. But here it is. So that's how it is. Looks pretty darn good. That should fit just fine. So there it is, folks, the finished product. It's definitely one of a kind. I love this spoiler, man. It just looks right.